Hey guys, it's a bit of a different video, but if you've been following me for a while, then you should know that work sends me a care package of snacks every month. It's like really heavy and like it's really compact as well, so yeah, I'm really excited. So this is a company called Snack Magic, and yeah, let's see what we get in our November haul. So I went for Reese's Pieces. Oh my days, this is incredible. Yeah, thank you Snack Magic. That is actually insane. So I don't even know where to start. Reese's Pieces miniature cups. Trees. Nice. What we get? Snack mix. Insane. Oh, sticks. I've never tried the sticks before. So we get how many sticks? 3 sticks. 4 sticks. Oh, another snack mix. So you got 5 snack mixes. Oh, these bars are nice. These are Neutrogenous bars. These are actually banging. That is incredible. 2 half-pound cups of Reese's. Have you seen that before? I've never seen this in my life. This is heavy. How many calories is this? 518 calories per 100 grams. So times that by 5. That's 2.5k a calorie straight. Mad. And what I'm actually really excited for is I get these white chocolates. So I get 2 normal peanut butter cups, but I actually get, oh sorry, I get 3 normal peanut butter cups, but I actually get 4 white peanut butter cups. I've never actually tried these before, so yeah. So many trees unnecessarily. It's actually insane what I get. Do you think it's all worth £100? Like, this big boy is a massive. Wishes do come true, apparently. This video is not sponsored by Reese's. Anyone who works at Reese's, if you see this, then
sponsor me, I guess.
I do like Reese's Pieces. Not a lot, like this much. Like, I love Reese's Pieces, but I do enjoy Reese's Pieces now and then. So thank you Snack Magic.